Walking down the leafy street to the river, it is impossible not to be impressed by this grand old dame of Claremont. Built in 1898, this home has stood for over 120 years but has been skillfully renovated to reflect modern tastes, all while staying true to the original design.